Welcome back. Today we're going to disassemble this Chambers Custom Light Fighter. It's pretty simple, but we'll go through it and we'll see just how easy it is. So first thing I'll do is I will align the slide stop pin and that little half moon cutout, and then I'll start pushing that pin out on the opposite side with my finger. Because the pin is flush cut, it's a little bit difficult sometimes, so I will just make sure it's aligned, and then I typically will get a tool in there, come from the back, and that's how I'll just push it out completely. There, push that to the side. From here, I will take my little bent paper clip tool, and then I will insert that right into the hole in the guide rod. What that is doing is keeping the plug and the spring kind of compressed back there, so then I can take the entire slide off, immediately put the weapon on safe so I don't drop that hammer accidentally, and then we'll get our guide rod out. Typically this is a little bit tight because of the tolerances between the plug and the slide. So just karate chop that out, and we see we have our guide rod, our paper clip, our plug, and our spring all contained there. From here, put that link forward, up and out comes your barrel. There is your pistol completely field stripped. All right, from here, typically we'll clean, lubricate, do all that stuff. Put the barrel back in, put that link back up, reinsert your guide rod, plug, spring, the whole assembly, making sure we got our little paper clip tool exposed there. All right, it's not being obstructed by anything. And then we will put our slide back on. All right, we can see how tight that is because this gun has the proper tolerances. Boom, slide is on. Push the slide back. Get that tool out. Okay, now from here, we're gonna make sure we got our link aligned properly. And if you can see that or not, but it's okay. Get our spring in there. Now let's put our slide stop pin in there. Reinsert that, and boom, there's your pistol reassembled, ready to use again. Sometimes what you'll see is the plug get caught to the rear a little bit. Again, it's just tight tolerances. You rack it once, a little bit of lube, and it goes back there. And I have never had a malfunction or any issue with this pistol, and you just saw me disassemble and reassemble that in basically no time at all, talking you guys through the process. I hope this helps. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. Thank you.